children, today let's start with chapter number 5, the early rulers. So in this chapter, I will tell you about some early rulers that we see. So around 3000 years ago, during the time known as later Vedic age, India underwent significant changes. In this period, king did not ascend to power through election, right? And as society world, it become divided into different groups, जो किस पे based था आपके caste और one system. Top of this hierarchy were Brahmins, जो आपके अपने सबसे top position पे थे, great importance थी, and they became Kshatriyas, comprising king and warriors. So next in line were Vaishyas, who were primarily traders and merchants. Both Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, they were excluded from performing the sacred rituals. जितने भी sacred rituals थे, ये perform नहीं करते. The lowest group in the caste system was Shudra, and both women and Shudras were denied access to study of Vedas. Now we have Ashwamedh Yajna. In ancient time, kings showed their power and strength by performing grand ritual called Ashwamedh Yajna. Yajna means religious ceremony. जितने भी religious ceremony का sacrifice होते थे, उसको हम यजन कहते हैं. And Ashwamedh Yajna was like a big ceremony that show how mighty and important king was. कि कितना important और mighty हमारा king. If any other king captured the horse or tried to stop it, it is meant they were challenging the power. उससे क्या लगता था कि कदे पावर को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, राइट. ड्यूरिंग द अश्वमेध यजन द किंग वुड गो टू बैटलफील्ड. भाई वो बैटलफील्ड पे जाता था एंड वो लड़ाई करता था, एंड चार्जर्स जो होते थे वो विटनेस करते थे किंग के ब्रेव. So we can other king were neighboring kingdoms which came as specters, and they was a ceremony so that they can understand power and authority of hosting it. और शूद्रास जो थे they were not part of these rituals. ये इस rituals के part नहीं थे. Then we have जनपद्स. In ancient times our land is divided into different regions जिसको हम जनपद्स कहते हैं. और जो जनपद्स है they came in two parts. Jana, which means land, and pada means setting it forth. So after performing important ceremony and sacrifice, these kings were recognized as the leader of their जनपद. चलिए हमने leader माना, and under some ancient settlement from these जनपद्स. So one of these ancient settlement was found in अतरंची खेड़ा. कहाँ देखने को मिलती है? अतरंची खेड़ा. Right, then we have Mahajanpad. Basically, we have 16 Mahajanpads that we will study is Magad, Koshla, Vats, Avanti, Gandhar, Puru, Panchal, Matsya, Kashi, Agra, Anga, Vaji, Mala, Chera, Chol, Pandya, and Cheti. These are the 16 Mahajan. What were the features of Mahajanpadas? If we talk about feature, they have their own capital city. इनकी अपनी अपनी capital city होती. They were ruled by king who maintained large army. और इनके पेड सोल्जर्स से यूजिंग पंच मार्क कोइस. मेनी किंगडम टाउन्स एंड सिटीज वर फोर्टिफाइड फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. और ये जो डिस्प्ले करते थे रूलर वेल्थ, टैक्स सिस्टम वाज इन प्लेस टू सपोर्ट द आर्मी एंड पब्लिक वर्क, राइट. द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट टैक्स केम फ्रॉम क्रॉप्स फिक्स्ड एट 1/6 ऑफ प्रोड्यूस भागा. क्राफ्ट पर्सन पेड टैक्सेस प्राइमरली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेबर. Taxes were also levied on trading activities. Herder paid taxes with animals and their produce. Hunters and gatherers contributed taxes in the form of forest produce. जितना भी forest produce होता है उसके हिसाब से उनको क्या करना पड़ता था, taxes pay करते हैं, right? These are the important marks. This is Gandhar, Takshila. You can see over here Panchal, Koshla, Vaishali, Vajji, Magad, Ujjain, Ajanta, right? Now changes in agriculture. So let's study about the changes. Adoption of iron plowshares led to improved soil fertilization. Next is transplantation of paddy. Involved planting saplings in the field, right? Now emergence of Magad. Magad was one of the most powerful Mahajanpada, and it had its capital, that is Girbiraj, right? Which is now as Rajgir. The region later became the center of mighty Mauryan Empire, and it emerged as a most important Mahajalpad of several reasons. The land of Magad was blessed with rivers जैसे गंगा and सोन हो गया, जो एक vital source of wealth है for drinking, farming and transportation. It proximity to iron mines. Production होता था यहाँ पे essential tools और vehicles. Nearby forest supply elephant for army played a crucial role in animal warfare. Forest also provided wood for building chariots, carts and houses. Magad has two strategical located capitals, Rajgir and later Patridu, जो किसको enhance करता था, military और economic importance, right? नेक्स्ट इज योर मोर देन 2300 ईयर अलेक्जेंडर, जो यूरोपियन रूलर था, जो आपका मैसेडोनिया से आया था. व्हाट इट्स दैट, इट्स सॉट टू कॉन्क्वर द वर्ल्ड. ये जो वेस्ट एशिया था और जो का जो पार्ट था बिफोर अराइविंग इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट, and it was powerful rulers for India as well as equipped armies. They are daunted by the reputation of the India, which was formidable rulers and their vast army. Now Vajji. It is a significant kingdom known as Vajji. इसकी जो capital है वो क्या है? वैशाली. Right? Unique form of government आपका देखने को मिलेगी गना और संगा. गना और संगा ये क्या थे? यहाँ पे बहुत सारे leaders होते थे and these leaders were kings and even thought they were thousands of them. To make important decision and progress in the society, what happened? ये जो king थे, they gathered assemblies and what they discussed and debated various matters. Right? Now we can say ultimately Gupta Empire overthrew last Sangha और गना और किससे क्या हुआ? जो एक यूनिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट थी उसका क्या हो गया? एंड. राइट? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.